Hi, I'm Dee. My variety channel is about encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a homemaker, plus YouTuber. This is a mini-series straight from Las Vegas, Nevada. Not all what happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas. At least not in these vlogs. Sort of packing up this morning, trying to figure out what we're going to be taking back to our home in California and what stays. Hey guys, I am here at Target. We are actually now starting to try to pack up, get the house all ready, finish doing the area rugs there, and why not? So I had to go all the way kind of in the middle of town to this Target that had the actual rug that I needed, and I have two other rugs with the same design that is going to be ready for pickup in about another hour. So kind of that's what I'm doing. And I'm kind of curious what this Target has, so let's go check it out. Kitty, did you enjoy yourself? Yes, I enjoyed myself. Ready to go back? I'll get back to you. Hey Mom, Queen G, did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, I did.
Did you have a good time?
I had a good time.
Viva Las Vegas?
Si, senor. Fun, fun.
Fun? Did you have a good time with your family? Got to see everybody?
Not everybody.
Well, not everybody. You got to see your sister.
Got to see my sister. She came here from Arizona.
Yep. Your nieces from Phoenix.
And my niece, all my family.
And your friend, your co-worker.
My friend, she lives here.
So you had a good time?
I had a good time. Thank you, Denise, for leading the way.
Of course. So as you can see, we're starting to pack up. We had a great time. We've been here for about 2 weeks. I say a little bit over 2 weeks. Jay and I had an awesome night at the Las Vegas ballpark watching the Aviators last night. We just got back from having a real quick lunch up the street to Suncoast Casino, one of the locals here in Las Vegas in Summerlin, and the transport people are coming to pick up the racy red any minute. We had a great time. It was fast, it was quick, it was real fun. Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did. I promise I did. I swear I did. You told me I did. That's not how I know I had a good time. No, I had an excellent time.
What are we doing today?
We are packing and getting ready. Yeah, we're packing and getting ready. And cleaning house and boxing things up.
Did great?
Matza, latza, moolah.
Did you win?
I did win. Not as much as your mom, but I did win. I go.
What did my best friend say this was? It was like the wall of fame. And she's like, wow, Jay actually made it. Woo! Trying to clean up and pack up. just, yeah, it was fun. It went by real quickly. Sorry about not having all the videos, but hey. Okay, I'm not too sure exactly what's going on, but the van is not fitting correctly onto the transport, so let me go talk and see what's going on. Oh, it's nice out here. It's probably about 87, but a dry 87. Should love it when we say that. Okay, they're working it out. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I'll stay another day. Meanwhile, I'm having Mom watch YouTube, catching up on everybody's videos covering the Navajo Nation Fair. So right now we're finishing up with Kitty, What Would Kitty Do, and Sierra's videos. So, enjoying our afternoon still. And we finally got the van. What's Kitty doing?
She's rubbing her body on our old couch.
Our old couch.
Sitting
What you doing,
outside.
Kitty?
This is where I live. Nobody comes here. She's trying to claim her property. This is mine. Yes, kid. This is your tree too. She's probably feeling the nice heat from the stone.
Yeah. Jay's gonna try to put some batteries for the string lights. We just got done putting those ones, the white lights. Kitty took my chair. It's okay, Kitty. We're listening to Neil Diamond. Bum, bum, Sweet Caroline. It's our last night here in Vegas. It's September 22nd, right, hun? September 22nd. We're all packed, ready to go. Wheelchair and everything is safely secured. And we are ready, Freddy. California bus. Well, actually, we're gonna go to California. We're gonna stay at Edwards again before we get home. We're in Baker, stopping for gas, headed back on the road. It's nice to get a stretch. And Jay said it was $6.59 a gallon here at Baker. Dang. We made it to Edwards. Woohoo! Pretty good drive. We're just switching drivers now so Jay can get us onto the Edwards Air Force Base. We're just now checking in. Oh, thinking if I see a snake slithering around on the ground, I'm gonna scream, regardless if I'm in the car. Anyone out there can relate? Let me know in the comments. Kitty's rock climbing.
See?
Okay, tell the joke.
So why did the golfer wear 2 pairs of pants?
I was gonna hit a hole in one.
In case he got a hole in one, yes.
But bump, folks. We're actually staying in the same exact TLF lodging as we were, so nothing new to see, no new tour. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Cute gas man helper there. Remember the old days where they would fill up your gas, clean your windshield, check your oil? Yeah, those days. I remember that as a kid. That's funny. Anyways, just waking up, got some water, filling up gas. I'm gonna stop at Starbucks. And, yeah, and then it's back on the road. And why, yes, this is a CB radio, breaker 19. We thought it would be fun. It's actually Queen G's. My mom had this, like, for a long time. And since we're on all of the interstates, we thought it'd be fun to listen. And yesterday on the way out of Las Vegas, we were listening to it, and some guys all getting really into politics. It was kind of funny listening to him just rant along. It was hilarious. Until the antenna that we had up here, the wind was getting so heavy through Mojave that the antenna went fling and started dangling. So Jay had to open up the sunroof and we grabbed the antenna. Oh my goodness. I wonder if Burt Reynolds had any problems like that. That's a 10-4, good buddy. It's a gorgeous morning. Said good morning to the sheriff. We're here at Starbucks. I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee and some stuff for Queen G and I. Just got done filling up. It's really nice out here. The flights and all that stuff, the, what do you call it, air runway and all the tech school and all that's over that way. Yeah, some more photos over there.
Yeah, she was hiding underneath the bed.
Yeah, she was hiding, but now she's like all comfortable. It's about, what time is it? 10:12 Saturday morning. We're gonna leave the, what we call, kiddie resort. Mom.
She's got a whole chair to herself.
Whole chair to herself. We ready?
Oh.
Let's go back to Fremont.
All right, so it's about, let's see, by the time we get out of here, it'll probably be 11, so 12, 1, 2, 3, 4-ish when we get home. Depending on traffic too, because it is Saturday and we're going on one of the more of the traveled interstates. Anyways, until the next one, you guys remember to take care of yourself. We're taking care of ourselves, and we'll see you back in California. Bye.
Bye. Love you all.
But bump, folks.